Tall enough?
Yep, I think you're tall enough to ride these rides, Dad. You're tall enough. We're gonna go on Phoenix. You ready, Dad?
Yes, let's go. Old-fashioned roller coaster.
Yes.
Like me, old-fashioned. Yep.
This has probably been voted one of the best roller coasters in the world, wooden roller coasters in the world. And the reason is because of the airtime. You get so much airtime on this thing, it's insane. Like, there's 2 straightaways and you just go, woo, and your butt's off the seat the entire time. So, you ready?
Yes.
So last time I tried to film this, my battery on my camera just completely crapped out on me. So I bought new batteries for the GoPro. So this is like attempt number 2 to record this.
All right, we got it. We got it. Hey, here at Knoebels.
Ready.
All right, here we go. Oh, it's pitch black. Wow. Man, can't even see your hand. Wow, that was really fun. That was cool. I couldn't even see my hand. Is it look good?
Yeah, we're good.
Whoa! There it is.
Here we go.
Oh,
Oh boy! Oh jeez! Oh my goodness!
it holds you back there into the front. Here we go. Yeah!
Dude!
Oh, that is actually a lot of fun.
Isn't it?
And the last 3 there, oh my god.
Yeah.
That was really good. That was fun.
Wow.
The last 3 hills were crazy.
That was nuts.
But did you feel that one time we went up, you felt the whole front of the car come up, flying up. And there was a lot of weight in it. Now that was fun. That's probably one of the best wooden ones I went on.
I'm telling you, and it's not because it's a big drop, but it's just
Those hills.
There's at least 15 times when your butt's off the seat. It's
Especially
insane.
the last 3, man, you were up in the air all the time.
Yeah.
The one time we went off the thing, I felt the whole front of the roller coaster.
I know, because we had the weight on the front. We were that bold.
And all this weight in the front, and it's okay. I felt the big car come up and hit the track.
It's a great ride.
That was fun.
Awesome ride. And voted by Amusement Today Golden Ticket Award Best Wooden Roller Coaster in 2023. So how about that?
Wow.
The Phoenix.